What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a pack opening. I've been here for a long time. Today we're gonna be pack opening. If you are new, leave. Pack opening. This is gonna be a lit pack opening. I want to get rid. This is what we're gonna be doing for today. Some packs. So let's get started with shooting the People KD. People KD has a massive money price. People KD. All I gotta do is pop up a KD. Yeah. Look at this. We didn't put on for the. Let's open the food defensive. 70 overall right there. I'm gonna have 70 score plays over there by Paul. There's some points. Open up DS. Bang! Let's open one here. Bang! Oh, let's go! We put a Danny Green. We're making coin perfect back. Let's go! We put a Danny Green with our first super back. Oh my God! My pack luck is insane! Oh my God! Didn't I tell you my pack luck is insane? Oh my God, I still can't get over that good apple just now. 2 elite on 1. I'm making my profit. I spent 500k on all these packs and pulling over 500k worth. Oh, we pulled. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm getting all the screenshots of these. Oh my God, it's the latest pack opening I ever did on NBA 2. This is my first pack opening on NBA 18. That's my first video and I'm pulling pulls like this. Oh my God, these screenies better be open. Can you clutch it on another one? No, but oh my God, guys, please watch this video, guys. Look what we pulled. Ace 84 overall Julius Irvin. And we put elite coaches on everything. Where my elite coaches? We put elite coach. Oh my God. We put in high polls. High polls in the comments. High polls in the comments. I may doing a giveaway soon, like 1 mil. 84 overall. Oh my God, though, guys, I'm gotta do a giveaway for these polls. They high polls. 84 overall. Oh my God, they high polls. High polls in the chat, everybody. Julius Irvin was a high poll. I spent 6. Oh! This is not made all our coins back of one of them players. 400k. No accident, but 385k. 415k. Made all our coins back. Bob, 82 Bob. I'm going to do a video collecting my bench. Bob. High polls in the chat, babe. High polls in the chat. Was that Renegon? No, it was not Renegon. It was Power. Let's go, though. Them polls were legitimate. So, guys, I'm gonna end this screen. And if you know, leave a like and subscribe. So please, and hit that bell.